Say hi. I don't know. Jenna just had a bath. Her hair's all curly. Got her PJs on. Little dinosaur shirt. I bet Johnny would like that. Hey Diana, do you read these comments? Yes, I do. I try to. Sometimes they go kind of fast though, and I miss some. Will you want to see? I look at you. Da-da. She's like, are they still there? Are they still there? I wanted to see everyone. She goes around this pillar right here. She goes around over and over like 3 times. It's so cute. She loves her exercise. Oh, where are you going? Hey, baby. The fireplace is hot. Your hair's still drying. You play with your toys? You play with your toys? You waving? Hi. You say hi to everyone? Oh, let me fix your pants. That'll probably be easier for you to stand up. Are you talking to the giraffe? You see it? See the giraffe? 2 days till her birthday. Oh my gosh, I know. I cannot believe it. Am I ready for this? I can't understand. You gonna stand, baby? Don't worry about your pants leg. Okay. Go. Nope. You see? Good job. Look at, hi. Good job. Are you waving? Let me pull up your little pants. Good. Let me pull up your pants, baby. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go over here. Let's play with your toys. Let's play with your toys. There we go. Oh, look, your daddy's here. You hear?
She hears me up here.
You looking up? Look at her curls. Oh my gosh. Her hair's still a little damp. Oh, hi from the UK. Wanna play with your toys? Is that your knee pad? This is one of her knee pads I got for her. From the reviews, it said that they're really useful for when they start walking and they kind of stumble and fall a lot. So they'll fall on this cute little knee pad. Isn't that adorable? And the back has a little bit of breathing room. You wanna clap your hands, Jedi? No? You wanna play? I'll let her play real quick and then we'll see if she'll clap. Oh, your hand's done. Hold on, I gotta check on Wicket. Wicket, is it Wicket? No. Wicket, no. Come here. He's trying to eat my Pop-Tart. I just remembered I left a Pop-Tart. Come here, buddy. I got a pumpkin pie Pop-Tart. Okay, baby. And I heated it up. I'll grab it here in a minute and I'll show it to you guys. Right now, Jedi seems to be very entertained. So I don't want to disturb her. Just try to stand. I worry that this might fall over. Yeah, pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. Can you guys believe it? Hey, baby. Oh, you're going to sleep? What's that? Oh, I wish you could play with Jenny too. She's a lot of fun. Isn't that cool? I like the flute. Let's do that one. Ooh, look, her hair is almost long enough for a pony. A little ponytail. A little, oh, baby. Look, we can make your little ponytail. Oop, now I made your hair stick up. Are you here, Dad? And go get the Pop-Tart? Wicket and Pixie. Hold on, let me see. Look at Wicket and Pixie.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over here.
Oh, kisses to Jedi. Now what are you gonna play? You wanna play the park?
My Periscope tonight is going to be the unboxing of Sarko Plank and Asti, X-Wing Pilot Asti, and the figurine playset in the store for the BB-8 Kylo Ren and the Phasma. And I guess we're playing Trooper too. It's pretty cool. The other two, I'm just not the human figurine kind of guy.
Cool. That'll be fun. You guys gonna watch that? Oh, what is it, baby? Trying to climb on me. Oh, excuse me. I tried not to sneeze on you. Oh, is that funny? Okay, come on. Let's go over here. Let's go get my Pop-Tart so we can show them. Wicket. I think Wicket ate some of my Pop-Tart. I think Wicket. Oh, chew. Is that you? Can you see yourself? That's a baby. Baby Jedi. I'll give him a kiss. Mwah! Look at her teeth. teeth. Mwah. No, she sees the flowers. She sees the flowers. Aren't those pretty? Oh, you trying to kiss me? No, I think she's trying to bite me. Here is the Pop-Tart. I burnt it a little bit. That's what it looks like. I will show you the box. Let me grab it. Excuse the mess in the background. I was snacking. That's what the box looks like. Doesn't that look awesome? Sounds awesome. It's not as epic as I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's okay, but maybe I should try it again. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. And accidentally burnt it a little bit. Jedi's like, I can't see. I can't see. Let's try it again. Oh. It tastes like Christmas. Very holiday. I don't know. I wasn't in love with it. I love the s'mores Pop-Tarts. That one is my favorite. And the strawberry ones, those are a classic. She's like, I'm just hanging out in Mommy's arms. She'll mimic me chewing, watch. No? Not feeling it? Oh, baby, look at her playing. You sneeze on Mommy. You just sneezed on Mommy. That's okay. That's okay. I love your sneezes. Like 3:30?
Yeah, 3:30. Like, did it happen 3:30? We may have been on the road when it happened. Did it say 3? Hang on. Around 3:20.
No.
Yeah, but I think we may have been on the road.
Oh, really? When the earthquake?
Uphill. Yeah, we had uphill happened. We just got home when it happened.
Really?
Yeah.
There was an earthquake here. I'm choking on the Pop-Tart. A 4.0 earthquake.
Wow.
There was a 4.0 earthquake here.
Wow, like we were literally, you just texted Mom saying we're coming up the hill.
Yeah.
It happened right then.
I'm eating my hair. That's crazy. I didn't feel anything.
Well, everything's standing up that I can see, so.
Yeah.
Wow.
Make sure you don't have my hair. Oh, you guys missed it. Today she wore some ice cream pants and it had the ice cream on her little bum. I mean, you didn't miss it. I didn't periscope it. Is what I meant to say. Oops. There we go. Now she's just wearing her PJs. What, baby? Where are you going? Oh, you want Daddy? You want Daddy now? run. You want to say bye to everyone? Say bye. Say bye. Say I've had enough. Bye. No. Good night. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. Bye. Say adios. Adios. What's so funny? You're so silly.